Good morning, everyone. Today, let's talk about how to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speakers. So, today is a very important day because we have completed 50 videos. I have started for you 100 days challenge of English speaking series where you will learn a English language as a and you can speak English easily after watching this 100 days of English speaking series. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video. So today I'm going to talk you about use of how. Use of how is where you can use anywhere. Like when you ask when you talk with someone, what you ask first, how are you? So you are asking about their health and what is going on in their life. Instead of people are using WhatsApp, how are you guys? But how is a like genuine word. If you will go anywhere in the world, so people you will see that people will use how. How are you? How is your how you doing in your life? So these kind of the questions people basically ask to them, those who are the known people of them. So you can use how in another ways also. When you are going to buy a new car of Mahindra Thar, so you are in a Mahindra showroom and you are going to buy a car which is called Thar, a most popular car nowadays among the youngsters. So what you ask first, that how much is the price of that car? So you are asking how much is the price of that car. And the Thar, because of the buying of the Thar, you are going in the showroom of the Mahindra and you are asking that how much is the price of the car. So you can get the quotation from the showroom owner, and that is the price, that is the accessories, and this will be your EMI, and you can ask for the loan and all that. So whenever you ask something or whenever about any object, a Thar is an object which is a car, but an human, you are talking with the human and you are asking how are you. So use of how is many where. You can use of the how, there's so many ways. When you go in a supermarket, like in a Easy Day or in a Walmart, what you ask, if you if you do not find anything's price, so what you ask with the representative, that how much is the price of that thing. But nowadays you have the barcode available in the supermarkets, so you can use the by the help of the barcode machine, you can get the whole knowledge about the product. But sometimes if you find difficult to find a product price, so you can ask that how much is the price. So use of the how, when we use how much, so you are asking about the price, and where you are using how are you, so you are asking about their health with, and you are talking with the human, how are you, and you are talking how much is the price, is a object, whatever it is a maybe a car or it is an FMCG product, whatever it is. So use of the how is like many ways. So you should know properly that how you can use this how in many ways in your English communication. But using this word is like an advanced thing. I have completed in my first 50 videos the basic English, how you can improve your basic English, like you can read, we have talked about listening, we have talked about writing, we have talked about speaking practice. I have told you that how you can speak, how can do the speaking practice. You can see my previous videos where you will learn that how you can improve your speaking skills. And in my previous 50 videos you can learn how to read, you can learn in my previous video how to listen actively, and you can watch in my previous video how to write and how the writing will be important to improve your English communication skills. So you can watch my 50 videos which I have posted day before yesterday for you. We have completed more than 50 videos, so you should, if you have not watched yet, you should watch last 50 videos of this 100-day series of English speaking. And I'm definitely sure that after, when I will complete my 100 days English speaking series, you will be able to speak English confidently and fluently. That is my promise. But you have to give me a promise that you have to do practice. And the best way, I have always told, to read and to learn a language is reading. And you can watch my previous videos to know the techniques of reading and how the reading will effective, and how much we can grow by the help of reading, and we can develop our vocabulary and all that. So you can watch my previous videos to learn more about the reading skills. So today I have talked about the how. You can use the how whenever you are going in a in a Titan showroom of World of Titan, where you will find so many watches. So what will you ask? That you like any watch which is a Titan Octane watch. It is a very famous watch, Titan Octane, and you have asked about the representative who is representing you from the Titan, and you can ask about the price of that watch, that how much is the price. Or you are in a showroom of the fast track showroom and you are asking about the price of the sunglasses, and you are asking how much is the price of that sunglasses. So when you asking about the price, about the cost of the product, about the object, so it is called when you use how much. So use of the how is many ways, but we should know properly that how to use a word when we are going somewhere. It will show confidence, it will show that you know and you have the knowledge to speak in English. Everyone can speak in English, but practice required. But when you speak advanced English, so it shows that you are well known about the English, because English will develop your personality, your confidence, your fluency. But you need to practice. You need to practice every day. That is required. If you really want to speak in English, so the practice will make you perfect. But the thing is required to improve your English speaking, you have to read every day. And for the reading techniques, what you should read, you can watch my previous videos where you will learn more about the reading skills. Now we have completed more than 50 videos, and the further 50 videos will be more about advanced English, how to use the word how. As of today, I have talked to you about how to use a word how so many ways. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video. That's all for today. Thank you so much.